We're here in the Panasonic booth at APEX EXPO in Boston, and I'm in the Next series hardware. Next is their next generation of hardware and software and services, and one of the neat things about it is how they put this sort of platform together. So, you know, fancy giant screens, new handsets. The controllers are smaller than they used to be. Power and network data on the in-seat pan is a single unit now instead of two, and it's smaller and uses less power. It's a really nice improvement. The screens, this is a premium economy screen at 16 inches. It does some really neat things, like you can touch it and control buttons come on here. We've got messaging from the crew in the second screen here. This can also be used for controlling the movies, and if you wait long enough, it even ends up as doing things like duty-free sales. And then what's really interesting about this to me is what they're calling VLS, or virtualized local storage. The data for the movies is actually saved on the screens. Each screen has a 256 gigs of storage inside, and then all of those screens throughout the plane pool their content together and overall can deliver 12 terabytes of storage for the aircraft. And then if you're an airline or customers that want a little extra, we'll give you a spare box there to get more. But this stuff is really changing the way that content is loaded on the planes, content is stored on the planes, content is delivered to passengers, and it truly is what's next.